Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chili momos at home. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of water, mixing until a firm dough forms. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, let's prepare the delicious filling for your momos. You'll need about 1 pound of ground chicken or finely chopped vegetables. Mix this with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1/4 cup of chopped spring onions and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure all these ingredients are thoroughly combined to ensure every bite is bursting with flavor. Now for the fun part, shaping and cooking your momos. Roll small portions of dough into thin circles, roughly 3 inches in diameter. Place about 1 tablespoon of your prepared filling in the center of each circle. Carefully fold and pleat the edges to create your desired momo shape. Once shaped, steam these beauties for 10 to 12 minutes or until they are perfectly cooked through. Finally, let's make that irresistible chili sauce. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 chopped green chili in a pan for about 1 minute. Add 3 tablespoons of your favorite chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Simmer this mixture for 2 minutes. Gently toss your freshly steamed momos with this spicy sauce. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve immediately for a truly authentic and delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.